Hello, this is Raman from Team Goat, and today I am here to explain our project that is an AI voice assistant plus security system. Here as you can see we have made a fictional character in real life. Ironman has a smart AI features and AI system whose name is Jones. Just like that we have made an AI assistant and a security system. It can give all the answers of your questions like weather condition and any type of question that you will ask. And it has also security system. Since the gas leakage, fire and multiple poisonous gases, it will send the message or code. Through GSM system and SOS system, it will send the message. Here as you can see, here is blue color LED and there is a camera, AI camera that is fitted, and it will also measure and monitor the system live footages of the room. So we have also made an AI powered UGV. It's due to some reason the video's link is not uploaded in the website. So if you want to see the project, then go to Nova AI Sentinel in this channel and PS Hazaribagh. We made the system because old age peoples and physically disabled people sometimes do not know what to do in emergency situations. So we made this robot to also help them and also save their lives. We can control the system with voice commands and multiple functions. Now I'm going to show our project. As you can see in the poisonous gas and fire, it is sending the call to the owner. And with this, we can alert the people. We have also made an army UGV with many functions that can save the lives of the army soldiers. If you want to visit, then link is in the description.